welcome back to the second half of the Wareham Free Library's online story time. After reading Santa's story with the reindeer, the American Sign Language sign I'm going to teach you today is how to sign reindeer. 2 hands out, fingers slightly spread, your thumbs touch either side of your forehead, and then bring them out and up. Reindeer, reindeer. It's like antlers. Reindeer. What we're going to do now is sing a couple of Christmas carols. First of, Rudolph. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then all the reindeer loved him as they shouted out with glee, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history. My second song is Jingle Bells, dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go, laughing all the way, ha, 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 bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Hope you enjoy singing Christmas carols. We have books that explain Christmas carols. We have a craft for you to do. We are going to make a happy reindeer face. And you're going to get a template to make the head. I traced it out on a light brown piece of paper. I added googly eyes, but you can draw big ones. I put a pom-pom red nose, a big smile, a bow, and the antlers are tracings of a hand. I used a darker brown so they would show up. Sometimes kids are very fidgety and it's hard to do 2 hands, so my suggestion is fold the paper in half, just do 1 hand and cut it out double. And then after your child does the craft, make sure you put his name and age so you'll see how big his hands were at that age. We have a couple of coloring sheets we put. First of all, Rudolph guiding Santa's sleigh through the moonlit night. One of his reindeer. And like Blitzen leaping off. We have some links on our website. We have a link about the night before Christmas, a little bit about its history. We have a couple of fun links about fun facts about reindeers from a couple of places. We have a link about Christmas all around the world, the different traditions of Christmas and their celebrations. If you want to learn more about all of this, the story of Christmas and some fun books, we have a huge selection of holiday books. Place a hold on these books and you can get them at curbside pickup, drive up in your car, or we've recently reopened to the public and we allow 1 family at a time in the children's room, so it's nice and safe and you can pick out your own holiday books. Thank you for listening.